Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating bus line 241V, which is a pair to the previously created line 241V. If 241V runs from Murala to Espoon Keskus every morning and back in the afternoon, 241V runs from Espoo to Murala in the morning and back in the afternoon. So I wonder why not create a two-way line running both day and evening, but perhaps there is just not enough passengers. Well, let's start with creating the line, because this is a fairly simple video. And oops. A fairly small investment for me, and a fairly small investment for the world too. It seems my mouse is once again running low on batteries, so let's see how many swear words that will cause me to issue during this video. But we start from the Espoo railway station, and then we're gonna stop at, let me see, at Pitäjän portti, at Mikkelän kallio, and at Muurahaisen tie. So, Pitäjän portti. Mikkelän kallio, can you actually run straight in here? Yes, you can. And then Muurahaisen tie. After Muurahaisen tie, we will then take a little shortcut, which actually is not even permitted for anything else than for bus traffic, I believe. But we will take a right turn in here. And then turn to the old village road in there. And then we'll actually connect it with the loop in here, so that I can then loop it backwards from here. Maybe. That's right. So, that's it for the stops. Let's go back to lines. So seems I managed to successfully loop it in the wrong place anyway. No, I was just missing one important point in here. Okay, let's add the usual signals in here just to make sure that nothing stupid happens with the 241 line. I'm also glad enough that I decided to start building this line instead of the following line, which is extremely long, before I check with the batteries. And I must also check if I still have batteries. So, that's it. Let's go back to lines. Well, oh yes, unless you build your blueprints, they can't be driven. Nice one. Now that's better. And there we are, line ready. like I said, it runs every half an hour or so. And yeah, I think I have every line until this point, except for the one line running far away in the west. But if you notice a missing line, where the line number is smaller than 241, and it's not a trunk line, please let me know. I will then fix it and create that line. But all the lines I'm aware of which are operating currently, and even some past lines, should be created. But that was the story of this line, and it was a very short story. The roads have been built, the lines have been created, the bus has been bought, and there will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye!